Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I am planting strawberries. I already planted some strawberries in here. I accidentally bought bare roots, and it was a pack of 10, but it looks like only about 3 have caught on in the soil that I planted them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig up these roots that did not catch on here, and I ordered some strawberry plants to replace them with. They look pretty good. We got a strawberry already, popping out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and water them first really good because the roots are dry, and then I'm gonna pop them into this planter here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so I went ahead and watered the strawberry plants that I already have planted here that I ordered the bare roots from. I'm not gonna do that again. And I watered my new strawberry plants that I'm about to go ahead and plant here. So last year when I grew strawberries, something, I don't know if it was deer or the birds, but something would always eat my strawberries as soon as they turned ripe. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant these as far as I can away from the rail here. So hopefully whatever's out there can't get to them. I also heard about a net that I can put up. So if it comes to that, I'm gonna put up a net somewhere around here to try to protect my strawberries from being eaten before I can harvest them. So we'll see how this goes this year. All right, you guys, wish me luck this season of gardening strawberries. It looks like they have planted pretty well in the soil. I dug up the hole pretty level to make sure none of the leaves are under the soil. And like I said, don't recommend the bare roots because only 3 of them survived. So I won't be making that mistake again. And these plants look really healthy. So we'll see. Hopefully no deer or birds come over here messing with my stuff. All right, my strawberries are planted for the year 2026 spring, and I'll provide you guys an update as soon as I have one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening updates.